Ubus yung memory ko.
Good morning, everybody. Good
morning.
Morning ritual again. So before, I apologize, I changed the background para may iba naman. So anyway, para may iba, ang galing mo yan. Excited sila. Meron tayo. Okay, so we're gonna start. So lahat na ba nakaka-memorize sa Samsung Way?
Yes!
Let's recite the Samsung Way. Samsung Way.
We
Service ambassadors of Samsung. Pledge to provide our customers with utmost sincerity and care. Take pride in everything we do. Work as a team. Respect all colleagues. And strive to continually improve ourselves.
Service Code of Conduct.
Di pa.
Pwede na?
Hindi pa. Hindi pa.
Okay, the Service Code of Conduct. We will
Serve with a smile. And attend to all requests promptly. Make a difference by seeking new service opportunities. Understand what customers want. Not to say no without providing alternatives. And take pride the first time.
Samsung Service Way.
We will Samsung.
Alright, so good morning once again.
When we say Samsung Service Way, everybody with conviction will say, we will Samsung. Hindi yung, we will Samsung. I mean, the reason why we're reciting this is to internalize, right? And to practice. But if you say, we will Samsung, how can you practice? How can you apply, right? Walang conviction eh. There has to be conviction. Again, Samsung Service Way.
Samsung Service Way.
We will Samsung.
Samsung Service Way.
We will Samsung.
Good. Right, so it's great to be together. Tama po ba?
Yes.
Anyway, I have something to share, and I guess this learning had helped me a lot to be where I am right now. And this is related also to what Sir Ariel had shared before about being optimistic. So let's take a nap on this photo. So as you can see on the picture,
Kahapon yun.
it says aim high. So I'm not promoting PAL Express anyway. So I just took the picture yesterday and I never thought that I will be using it today. During my college life, if you are aware on engineering class, every time we have exam, most of us, even me, my classmates, always pray and hope for a passing score. I mean, that's only 50%. Only a passing score. So that's how we define happiness and success that time. So, and when we have already the results of the exam, those who failed usually think that they can do it. And those who got 50% passing score, they rejoices and celebrates. So ganun nung college namin. So they say, I passed, I did it. Something like that. So later, that time we realized that hoping for just a half of happiness is not really a success. What if we did not hit the 50%? So that means failure. Diba? So example, on a 100 items exam, you prayed, you hope, and you aim only for a 50%. Lucky you are if you got 50%. But what if you fail to reach 50? Then you mourn. You mourn, you cry, then you feel disappointed to your own self. compared it on aiming 100%. So aiming a perfect score can boost our confidence to make it at the best of our best. So which result to a passing performance. This is proven and tested by me. So you can try it by yourself or you can start it today. If you aim for a 100%, but you fail to reach it, what do you think is the result? Papasa ba tayo or babagsak? I assure you, you pass. How? When you aim high, there is a psychological and emotional effect which boosts your self-confidence to do greater things. So you may not reach the 100%, but surely you have overtaken 50%. So, and that what really matter is, it's like your score will play between 70 to 90%, something ganon. So if you want to confirm it, start it today. If you think you cannot do it, then you won't really make it. So think positive, think of greater things, and aim a high result. Of course, I want to end my sharing through an inspirational quote from God. Sabi dito, anxiety, sa Proverbs 12:25, anxiety in a man's heart weighs him down, but a good word makes him glad. So God don't give a task that we cannot bear. So always aim high and always say to yourself that you can possibly make it. So that's all. From other teams, announcement.
Announcement, no? Okay, well prepared